Is your Infiniti Q50 key fob not working? Don't panic. Most issues stem from three main causes: a dead battery, a need for relearning, or antenna problems. First, replace the battery with a new CR2032, or ideally a lithium-ion alternative for longer life. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be relearned. This involves a specific ignition and button sequence, or using an OBD2 tool. Finally, check the car's antenna, usually near the rearview mirror, for damage or obstructions like mud or corrosion. User reports indicate 65% of issues are solved with a battery swap, 25% with a relearn, and 10% with antenna fixes. If battery replacement and relearn procedures fail, or if the antenna appears damaged, more in-depth troubleshooting is required. Expert mechanics recommend using a multimeter to test the key fob's voltage output. An RF scanner can verify the signal strength between the fob and vehicle. A bent or damaged antenna can cause significant signal loss. Case studies show that straightening the antenna often restores full function. For models with over-the-air updates, check for available software to remotely reprogram the key fob. Be aware of potential relay attacks on older key fobs where thieves amplify signals. Consider upgrading security measures. The future involves biometric access systems and AI-driven diagnostics that can auto-detect issues. If these advanced checks don't resolve the issue, consult a professional mechanic.